Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ang atin naman pong pag-uusapan ay tungkol kay Avon 16 Hours Power Stay Lipstick. So during this pandemic, kinakailangan nating magsuot ng face mask sa kada labas natin sa ating mga bahay. Kaya naman, ang sabi ng iba, hindi na raw kailangang mag-lipstick. But I beg to disagree. Why compromise if you can wear your lipstick under your face mask with Avon's transfer-proof, waterproof, and mask-proof Power Stay Lipstick? So I will be demonstrating kung ito ay talagang transfer-proof, mask-proof, or at saka waterproof. So I am already wearing the Stay Put Sangria shade. So magdadagdag lang tayo ng konti just to prove na ito po ay hindi dumidikit sa ating face mask. Okay, so here we go. Dagdag tayo ng konti. Ayan. So, this is in Stay Put Sangria. Okay. So, ito yung face mask ko. As you can see, bago. Ayan. So, walang stain. So, I will be wearing this para ma-proof natin. Ayan. So, ayan. So, suot ko ng aking face mask with my lipstick on. Ayan. So, ayan siya. So, let us check whether hindi nga siya dumikit sa aking face mask. Ayan. So, charan! Ayan. So, it is proven na wala pong dumikit. Walang bahid ng lipstick na dumikit sa aking face mask. That's the power of Avon's 16-hour Power Stay Lipstick. Ayan. So, in a while, I will be flashing the different shades or the different colors para makapili ka ng swap na color para sa'yo. Panoorin mo ito. Thank you guys for watching. This has been your Avon lady and mompreneur saying, you can be pretty powerful with the right lipstick. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe now. And please don't forget to share and click the bell button for you to get notified sa lahat ng ating mga updates later. That's all for today now. See you soon again. Bye!